trying to party and celebrate life. Tune in the Next Sound Studio tonight. It's live at 8 with the hottest in the state. So tell a friend you wanna take them out of space so they can unplug to a new level. With different artists who take it to a new level. And you never know what you're gonna get. And you never know what you're gonna get. You might get rock or you might get rap. You might get R&B with the boom bap. You might get a band or you might wanna dance bachata. I just know every week's gonna be a shocker. And it's a party for the world, for little boys, little girls, for everybody.
If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, get down tonight. We going live tonight, live from the Next Sound Studio.
Hello, everyone. I am your host, Nequasia, and you are tuning in to Live from Next Sound Studio. Each week, we aim to connect your favorite independent music artists with their fans through their lyrics with our director, Will B. Walker, in his director's cut. Let's give it up for both of these platforms for allowing this awesome opportunity for these independent artists to not only be seen, but be heard as well. Let's welcome tonight's featured artist to our stage. Willy Flee is a Brooklyn-born and bred new artist now residing in Tampa Bay, Florida, and always repping home, Canarsie, Brooklyn, New York. That's where I was born. In 2019, contributing and throwing his own concert, Every Artist Has a Canvas, Flee is on a strong momentum run, locking in Tampa's first Loud on 7th Festival. In 2017, his debut single, Love Me Down, music video was considered for 9 nominations between the MTV VMAs and the BET Music Awards, which led to him performing with Grammy-winning hip-hop artists Cardi B and Cap G. Previously opening for names such as Future, Juicy J, and Travis Scott, Flee was also Slacker Radio's featured Artist on the Rise with DJ Raymond T. His new 12-song hip-hop R&B album, Till Tomorrow, accompanied with new music videos, shows off his versatility as a rapper and songwriter vocalist. His latest project, the R& Flee album, released February 2020 and is known to be his best project to date. With 2022 here, Flee has prepared new smash hit Flee Steppa. With a new dance craze, he hopes for new exposure and fan growth. Let's take it to our show's director to find out a little more about him and lyrics to our first performance of the night. You see that.
What's up, everybody? Here I am, Will B. Walker, sitting with Willie Flee. He's the man of the hour. We're going to jump right into it. I know you performed on stage with some of hip-hop's top biggest names. So let's just jump into it and talk about some of your biggest stage moments and some big experiences that you've had throughout your career.
We can start with the most surprising. I opened up for Juicy J. It was at a club called Amphitheater in Tampa, and the promoter at the time, I was working with him. Like, he was kind of managing me, so I got put in a prime spot. I went on right before Travis Scott. I had no clue that was Travis Scott, none whatsoever. So Juicy J didn't come on. Travis Scott came on, and me and my man is like, yo, who the hell is this? Climbing the damn, like, he was climbing the production. I'm like, yo, the son is wilding. And now to this day, he's like one of my favorite artists, and it's just crazy to think I had the chance to, like, you know what I'm saying? I'd have had no clue that was him. That is my favorite, like, surprising moment when it came to performing back then.
And you rose and you rose and you climbing, you built your name, you built your own market, and you came out with a great album, R& Flee. Mm-hmm. So let's talk about R& Flee a little bit, and you perform your track off of that here. You see that? So let's talk about that album and then that song that you chose to perform here live at Next Sound Studio.
Well, shouts to Next Sound for letting me do that here, first off. The R& Flee album was my first project after I was done with Marquee Music Group. Yeah, I put that song list together, put the songs together. A lot of the songs I sat on for a while. A lot of the songs were brand new. So yeah, I put that together. Me and one of my friends, shout out to my boy Dev. He picked the track list. He listened to everything numerous days at a time, put it together. And that's how that album came about. And then you see that, it goes with the hook, the title of the song, I mean. You see that as basically, you know, like, you know, you see that? Like, that's. But we got different type of guys in this world. You know, you got the guys that see somebody trying to get at their girl and it's like, oh, you know, and me, I'm the type I like to watch. You know, it's almost like watching.
I got what somebody else wants.
You know, you feel me? It's just like, man, look at her, man. Go ahead. I just want to see how many, 5, 6, 7. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, oh. But yeah, that's just me. So that's what it means. Like, you see that? Like, that's me. Whatever you thinking about, she's you know, like, that's basically, you see that as basically just that. You know, you see her walking out the store with the bag, that's me. She come on to me. You see her looking crazy, nice in the club with her friends, that's me. You know, that's I appreciate from a distance. You know what I mean? So.
Well, here he is performing. You see that right here live, Next Sound Studio. Check him out.
Let's get into a smooth vibe. Ladies, I'm gonna talk to y'all real quick. Fellas, you got that one. It was about a week ago. Ooh, seen her walking out of the sneaker store. Ooh, Puma, Reebok, Nike, vintage swag, she dressed nicely. Came through dripping, her wrist icy. Fuck around 6 months to make her wifey. Ooh, baby, you looking cute in your Corolla. I'ma put you in a Benz or a Rover. And let me show ya. I drop the bingo and make it way over. Oh, what you thought? I wasn't gonna get a number. I had to hit her on the gram and see she got no man. Let her know I wasn't playing. She always clubbing with her friends. Let me interrupt, then we can make some other plans. Let's get high. We don't ever gotta come down. We get fly. Get a better view of the ground. You see that? Yes, she mine. You see that? Yes, she fine. You see that? Take your time. You see that? It's like, oh my God. You see that? Yes, she mine. You see that? Yes, she fine. You see that? Take your time. You see that? It's like, oh my God. Girl, give me that action. I know you will, baby. Take this, pick me up before I lay it down. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Can't even go a day without thinking about you. I be mesmerized watching you walk out the house. You keep you on your back, put your feet with it loud. You keep me on your back, put it in with your mouth. You ain't dealing with a slouch. Go ahead, ask my virgin, them I'm sure that they can vouch. I be bout what I'm bout. Pull up and air it out, give up by the X, cause I'm here now. Put the world in your hands, girl, I'ma show you round. If I could choose to do this all again, girl, I wouldn't change a thing. No. I know it took some time to find you, but I'll forever be right beside you. And everything you like, I like to. And give my all to you, yes I do. You see that? Yes, she mine. You see that? Yes, she fine. Yes, she fine. You see that? Take your time. Whoa. You see that? It's like, oh my God. We rockin', ladies. Yes, she mine. With nobody. Yes, she ain't that right? Come on. Take your time. Do something to her body. Like, oh my God. Girl, give me that action. Hold on, my mom watching. Hey, baby. Before I lay it down. Ladies, that was something smooth for the ladies. For the loved ones, fellas, go ahead and play this at night, man. I promise you gonna end up with a go. You know what I mean? Ow.
Hey, great performance, Mr. Willie. We still have more to hear from him later. But if you are an indie artist yourself and want to be a part of this awesome platform, please submit your music links to nextsoundstudioNYC@gmail.com. or DM Next Sound Studio on Instagram. Now, let's take it back to our director and Willy Flee as they discuss his next song, That Body.
And another track that you performed was That Body. So let's talk about that track and what that means and what it's like to perform it.
That Body is the energy picker-upper. I actually threw that into my set last year. Anytime I performed, I had a 3-song set of songs that wasn't out yet. That Body was one of them. And yeah, I threw that into my set based off of the energy. I like making reggae music. I grew up on it. It's kind of a reggae R&B blend, you know, more on the R&B side, but a reggae tone, reggae beat, reggae kind of feel. Usually once a hit, I catch 2-3 people moving at least, and then it turns into more. So that song is definitely my R&B energy picker-up. I was missing one of those. Like, I got a lot of R&B slow. If it's at like a, you know, all-woman event, they want to hear some baby making, I got that. And it's like I needed more. So yeah, that's the definite go-to for the R&B picker-upper as far as the energy. You know, get everybody moving, the whining. I even sang patois in the second verse. So yeah, that's it. Just take you to the islands. It just takes you there. Like, as soon as you hear it, at least me, it just takes you there. Put you right there in the beach at the sand with the margarita and whatever you want to have, the coconut with the shore and all that. You know what I'm saying?
Well, here he is. We hope it's taking you to the islands. We hope you're feeling the groove. Hope that you've been liking tonight's episode. Also that you've been sharing and subscribing, telling everybody all about us. But here he is performing That Body right here live Next Sound Studio. It's Willy Flee.
Let's go.
Everybody, take everybody, fuck everybody, We're gonna take it to the islands real quick. We got any islanders in the building. One light on the building, lighter. Alright, I wanna fuck that body. I wanna take that body. I want your body, girl, don't hide it from me. I wanna fuck that body. I wanna take that body. I want your body, girl, don't hide it from me. Dance floor, she's in the middle. Push up on her just a little. The way you move, it got me froze. Don't compare to none of these. Don't gotta worry about telling me go. Can't imagine telling you no. Baby, you're so fine. Girl, I can't resist. I'm slowly sipping while you whine. Can we take it slow? Never experienced your kind, but I'm willing to give you the minutes of my time. Oh yeah, I wanna walk that body. I wanna take that body. I want your body. Girl, don't hide it from me. I wanna walk that body. I wanna take that body. I want your body, girl, don't hide it from me. I wanna walk that body, I wanna take that body. I want your body, alright. We're really gonna take it there now. Get your beef patties out. Take a bite. Right. Your dog, me say me like it. Stuck like glue when me can't one night it. Check for me like Nike. Leave the spot without she is unlikely. Me happy know where you get your body from. Hot gots to know where you get your body from. All natural. She now get she body done. Staying at the gym, hard work makes your body come. 1 cup, 2 swap, 3 times. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 wine. She a go on like she want make baby. Right. She dig out she back body in daddy night. Ladies come round. Ladies get down now. Ladies come round. Ladies get down now. I wanna hook that body. I wanna do your body. I want your body, girl, don't hide it from me. I wanna hook that body. I wanna take that body. I want your body, girl, don't hide it from me. I wanna hook that body. I wanna take that body. I want your body, girl, don't hide it from me. I wanna hook that body. Y'all got that old uncle that be at the party like this? I want your body, girl, don't hide it from me. Even my pops, that's all he do. You know You do that, you're an OG. You're an OG. You the OG. You the OG. You the OG. Oh, look at my all the OGs. OG. Hey, you the OG. Hey, hey, lighter. That body.
We hope that you've enjoyed all of tonight's performances so far. Please be sure to check out UBC TV Network in the lifestyle category on the Glue TV app for more exclusive content. Also, be sure to check out all of Willy Flee's music available on all music streaming platforms. Now, let's take it back to Will and Willie as they discuss his closing track, The Flea Steppa. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to tell somebody to tell somebody else to tell somebody else to meet us back here next week, where we will have another awesome performer giving it up right here live.
And we know that you like to keep us moving, you like to keep us dancing, as we already seen. But now you got a whole new dance craze that's sweeping the nation. So let's talk about this new Flea Steppa dance movement craze / song that you have going on now. Let's talk about it.
You know, I put a lot of just couple of dances together and made it one. You know what I mean? But that's basically it's that. We in 2022. The internet is God right now. It's just the centerpiece for discovery. It's just a different music game right now. So I told myself I need to make a dance song. I'm always dancing. Let me do that. Why not? It won't hurt. So, you know, I put a couple dances together, made it my own, and now I'm going to have all the kids in school talking about I got a Flea Steppa. You going to see one of my main goals, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm hoping to take off on a way bigger scale, and I see somebody in the end zone doing that for a time. What? I'm gonna go crazy. What's up? What? Or somebody doing it after a dunk or something. Would you? Yeah. That's what we're gonna have the dogs in the dog pound doing it. They gonna be on tools talking about. Man, we going. Look, I'm gonna have the cops doing it. Watch, I'm telling you.
Well, here he is performing the Flea Steppa. Right here live, Next Sound Studio. Learn it, live it, love it. Here he is. Also be sure to be checking out all of his music available on all music streaming platforms. This is Willy Flee. You've been live, Next Sound Studio. We'll see you next time.
Willy Flee here, baby. Next Sound Studio live. Outside. 2022, we making moves. Show you how we gonna do this thing here, man. Pleasure to be here. Yes. Gonna get into the Flea Steppa.
See, I figured I'd come through, give y'all something to move to.
Yeah.
I mean,
got y'all moving now.
Yeah.
Right?
We're gonna swing right, swing left on them.
Let's go. Let me teach y'all something. Okay? Wait. Swing right, swing left. Sweet 16 in the Big 10. Act on, get your hip stretch. 40 go. Drum set. Swing right, swing left. Right foot. Bring it back. Sit high. 2 step. Sturdy. Wait. Swing right, swing left, sweet 16 in a Big 10. Act on, get your clip stretch, 40 go. Swing right, swing left, right foot, bring it back. Hey, hey. Man screaming, my homie. What? Sorry, I don't know me. Back with that 40. Lead shorty hit. 9 deuce be my home. It's big at least till I'm gone. So you better watch with that tone. The monster tree bounce to push that dome. I'm in the spot for 4 spliffs. Smoke the last in this clip. Scoop the joint and we dip. Scheduled the Uber for 6. Top down, getting topped in the ride. Lights on, shorty, open the blinds. Show the neighbors how I'm selling the dreams. Flossy niggas, so you know how I go. Dig it back out, then it's wait, bag it, flip it. Got a limp with this thing on my hip. Couple schemes got me moving away. Feed it harmony, putting Lena her name. I'm on the new levels to playing the game. Just hit for the bag. Wow. Swing right, swing left. Sweet 16 in the Big 10. Act on, get your clip stretch. 40 go. Swing right, swing left. Right foot, bring it back. Sit high. 2 step. Sturdy. Run that. Swing right, swing left. We swinging the Flea Steppa. Make sure y'all learn that one. Dropping 218. Yeah. run that. We live next sound, man. We outside. Let's do this. Let's do this.
If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down.
I've been down this road before.
Now are you ready? Let's go. Come on, get ready.
As a little girl, the way I saw the world.
If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, get down tonight, going live.
Kick it, yo. See, I figured I'd come through, give y'all something to move to. Know what I mean? Yeah. We're gonna swing right, swing left on them. Show y'all how to flee Steppa. Swing right, swing left, sweet 16 in a big tank. Act on, get your clean stretch. 40 go, drop set. Swing right, swing left, right foot, bring it back. Say high, 2 step, sturdy, run that. Swing right, swing left, sweet 16 in a big tank. Act on, get your clean stretch. 40 go, drop set. Swing right, swing left, let me at 'em, bring it back. Say high, 2 step, sturdy, run that. Man screaming, my homie. Sorry, you don't know me. Back with that 40. Leave shorty here lonely. Nah, Deuce be my home. It's big leaf till I'm gone. So you better watch with that tone. The monster tree monster push that dome. I'm in the spot for 4 splits. Smoke the last in this clip. Swoop the John, then we dip. Scheduled the Uber for 6. Top down, getting topped in the ride. Lights on, shorty, open the blinds. Show the neighbors how I'm swimming inside. Selling the dreams, telling the lies. Fussy niggas, so you know how I go. Dig it back out, then it's back Pony Road. Wait, bag it, flip it.